Hey, hello, my name is Edwin Segovia and today I am going to explain three important grammar topics: was and where, going to, would, and past modal. These are very useful when we talk about past plan, possibilities, and obligation. Okay, I explain three important topics grammar. I explain the rules, give some example, and show common mistakes. We start with the first. Was we're going to? What is the rule? We have this rule. We use what we're going to talk about past intention or plan that change, but we use past. Okay. Was we use with the subject I, he, she, it is in singular, and were for the plurals you, were, they. Okay, we have one structure that we use in this topic. Subject plus was were plus going to plus better the verb. Okay, we have some example. We have the first example. I was going to visit my grandma, but I got it sick. Okay, we have the subject, we have the was, we have going to, we have the verb in past, and the complement. In the second example, we have they were going to buy a house, but they changed their mind. We have one sentence in singular, and we have the second sentence in plural. Uh, you can see here was is in singular, and where we use for the plurals. Okay, two, we have the different mistake in the sentence. I give an example here. I am going to study yesterday. It's a short sentence, but we have a mistake. Okay, I am not can use am because we need to use in past. The correct form is was. Why? Because it's in past. I was going to study yesterday. I was going to plus verb in his base form. Okay. We have would. What is the rule? We use would when talk about a past intention, plans, or expectation that didn't happen. The structure, subject, would, and plus base form the verb. We have an example. I thought I would pass the test, but I didn't. The second, she promised she would call me, but she forgot. Okay, we have the subject, we have promise and she would, and the verb in his bedroom. We have a different example, but here we have a mistake. I thought I will pass. Never use will when we use in this topic. The correct form is I thought I will pass. Okay, we need to use would. Okay, we have the past modals should have. Okay, what is the rule? Express advice or regrets about the past. Where is the structure? Subject plus should have and plus participle. Okay, here we have two examples. I should have studied harder for the exam. The second, you should have told me the truth. Okay, we have subject, should, have, and the verb in past participle. Never, never miss it have. If you tell in one occasion, I should study harder for the exam, we have a sentence with mistake. We have always use have. Okay. Here we and mistakes are the example. Incorrect term. I should study yesterday. Okay, that was mentioned. I should study yesterday. What missing? Missing the missing have. Okay, where is the correct term? I should have studied yesterday. We have. Okay, past modal could have. It's the same structure. What is the rule? Talk about past possibilities or missed opportunities. The structure subject plus could have and plus past participle. Okay, we have two examples. I could have won the game, but I made a mistake. Second, she could have been late, but she took a taxi. Okay, in this case, if you have, uh, if you use past modal, in this case, could have always use the past participle. Never use the verb in his bathroom. Okay, we have an example that different common mistake. Incorrect affirm I could study. What missing here? I miss the I miss have. I could have studied. The correct form. I could have studied. Okay. If you can see, always the verb is in past participle. Okay. Past modal, in this case, might, may have. Okay. What is the rule? Use to express guess or possibility about the past. The structure is the same. Subject plus might and may have plus past participle. Anymore in the structure, change the past modal. The structure is the same. Okay, in the example we have he might have forgotten his homework. The second, he may have loved her fun. Okay, we have the subject, we have the past modal, never miss missing the have. We have the verb in past participle and the complement. Okay, we have common mistake. One example, he maybe forgot. What missing here? We have the subject, but what missing here? Here we're missing the past modal. In this case, the correct form, he might have forgotten. Okay, here we have must have. Okay, what is the rule? Used when we are sure about something that happened in the past. The structure, subject plus must have plus past participle is the same structure. We have some example. The first is she must have been tired after work. The second is they must have left early because the light are. In the first example, you can see we have the subject, we have the past model, and we have in the past participle for the complement. In the second is the same. What happened? We have a mistake. Incorrect form. She must was tired. What missing here? We missing have. The correct form is she must have been tired. Quick comparison. Was we're going to past plan the chain. Would past expectation and didn't happen. And the should have advice or regret. Could have missed missed opportunity. Might have possibility. Must have a strong dedication. In conclusion, thumbs up. Was we're going to past plan that change. Good past intention and expectation that didn't happen. Past model, advice, regrets, possibility, and deduction in different past model. Practice made perfect. Thank you for paying attention.